The Dragonfly LDM system digitally prints and additively manufactures functional electronic devices. The first step is to load the ECAD files, that is, the Gerber and Exelon, into the Switch software, which converts them into a digital print file. Several AME devices can be printed in one print job. The AME job is then loaded to the Dragonfly software and sent to print. The AME device is printed layer by layer by simultaneously jetting conductive and dielectric inks. Silver nanoparticles are sintered to form the conductive traces, planes, polygons, drills, and vias. The dielectric material is cured to a polymer that insulates between the conductive elements and creates the AME device structure. Printing ends, and the job enters into the assembly line and then to reflow soldering. A functional AME device is ready.